welcome back to your YouTube channel. Today we are in the Grand Floridian. And what we be doing then?
Today we're gonna be visiting Gasparilla Grill because we heard they have Easter desserts. And you know us, food, sweet for these three. Easter, you know, any theme, we're there. So anyways, today we're just gonna check out what kind of desserts they have over there. We're gonna taste them and give you our feedback and opinion as usual. And hopefully they're good. So if you happen to be here during Easter time, check them out, exactly. And if you're brand new around here, hi, this is Cool Case Adventure. And our main mission is to help you have fun when you come to Disney or any theme park. By providing you our feedback as a family, so when you come over here, maybe the children and the two adults over here can help you plan better for your next vacation. Anyways, are you guys ready?
Yes.
Awesome, because I am. So what are we waiting on?
So let's go. Oh, wait, Mom, hit the intro.
Mom, hit it.
I could show you how to defeat
The other thing I forgot telling you guys, we are going to try to make it to the beach resort, you know, by Boardwalk, because they have like an Easter egg decoration. I want to say it's in the somewhere in the lobby. So they have different type of decoration, like Disney theme, of course, decoration. So we're going to try to make it there after we try the desserts over here. So finger crossed we can make it there. Oh, I just want to show you guys, here's a decoration display they have here for Easter. Look at these. Oh, how nice these look. Oh, very nice. Alright guys, so here's what we ended up buying. We got the bunny, the cake.
It's called a miniature bunny cake.
Okay. And we also got this beautiful cupcake too, right?
Yeah, and that's just called a cupcake seasonal for now.
And we got a
Carrot Blondie Pop.
carrot
So
blondie
the
pop.
Carrot Blondie Pop is $4.99.
Yeah.
The miniature bunny cake is $7.99. And the cupcake is $5.99.
$5.99.
And they also have the chocolate covered bunny that was $16. And an egg that's made out of chocolate, but inside is stuffed with jelly beans. That one also is $16. And all this is made by the bakery team here at the Grand Floridian. So it's all handmade from the bakery department here at the Grand Floridian.
And we find out the people that make the mini bunny cake are the same one for the birthday.
The ones that are in charge of birthday cakes.
Birthday cakes.
Decorating birthday cakes.
Hey,
To be honest, these are very, very beautiful.
they are beautiful decorated.
And looking at the looks of it, I barely want to eat it. I just want to like
You
put
don't
it in this
want to cut into it, right?
Yeah, they're so nice looking that definitely you don't want to cut to it. But anyways, if you're finding any value in this content, we want to remind everybody to hit that like button. If you're brand new around here, please subscribe. Remember, we have a main goal. That goal is to make it to 1,000 by May 4th. But why May 4th? Because that's our 2nd year anniversary here in YouTube, and that's a huge goal. That's a huge dream that we want to achieve. It's one of, if you follow any content creator, they will tell you that 1,000 is just like the main goal, the first milestone that everybody wants to hit. So please help us out. How you can do that? If you're already subscribed, just hit the like button and share it with your friends. If you're brand new here and we are helping you make the best decisions here when you come to our Central Florida theme park so hotel, just subscribe.
This is heartbreaking.
I know, it's just breaking my heart over here.
We took that little bunny butt out.
the bunny butt.
The bunny booty. The bunny booty's out.
Bunny booty's out. And it's of course made out of white chocolate.
Okay.
And then this is definitely, obviously, a carrot cake.
Ooh.
With jelly beans on top.
And sprinkles. But I really...
It's like ducky sprinkles too.
So shout out to all those cast members that work hard, tirelessly to just make this dream come true for all of the guests, because you guys are amazing. And Kalel already tried. Is it carrot cake?
Delish.
There you go. So here you go, guys. You're having the first thumbs up.
Yeah, it's basically carrot cake. And and the bunny is white chocolate and it has jelly beans. But I feel like the jelly bean, and the stuffing inside of it, like kind of turn the flavor on it a little bit.
Just tried it. Just try some of that cupcake, and it's delicious. It is.
It's like cream cheese icing.
Yeah.
But do you know?
And you can tell it's fresh too. Ooh, confetti.
Confetti, yeah.
I'm sorry, Bunny. We didn't mean to do this to you. Nothing personal, Bunny. Just we want to show the viewers how it looks inside. Yum yum. Kalel is already trying.
Like you said, yum yum.
I just tried that cake. Didn't film myself. I don't think you guys want to see me eating. But anyways, it is really good. And again, I'm not crazy about Disney's dessert because they tend to be sugary, but this one is really good. You tried it, so what do you think?
It's good. It's got a lot of icing, so I'm not a big icing person. I just like cake. So the cake portion is really good. The icing's still good, but it's a lot.
Oh, all right. And Kyla, what do you think?
I don't. It's okay. It was
Not the best.
Not the best thing
yeah.
you try?
I thought I was gonna like it, but I like it more. But it was okay.
Okay. All right. So trying the carrot cake pop for the first time. There's Kyla. Kyla says a lot of icing.
But it's good.
Let me see the inside, dude. There you go. So that's how it looks inside. I'm letting Karen try it, but the kids are correct. There's a lot of icing, and that's why
It has to, so it can stand.
stands solid. That's what Karen was saying earlier.
And surprisingly, with all that icing that's on it, it's not hard. Like, it's really soft to eat.
Right?
Like, you could just bite and then it just takes apart.
Good desserts, good choices.
All thumbs up.
Yeah, if you come here with your family during
Can't go wrong with any of these.
this Easter season, stop by Gasparilla Grill over here in the Grand Floridian, and you know we're sitting here at a table that is literally, you could literally see the castle from here. I don't have another zoom lens, unfortunately I cannot take you down there, but yeah, that's the castle. And then you're sitting by the water, and after trying all those desserts, now we're gonna walk to the lobby to check if there's any Easter egg displays to show you. But I also want to let you know that at the time of filming, those desserts that we try are not a mobile order yet. They're working on it. So if you happen to be here, then you have to just tell them that you want to buy the Easter desserts, and then they'll let you buy. I just want to let everybody know that I found the Easter egg and an Easter egg in the Grand Floridian. You get it? Ha 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 ha. Never mind. Easter egg. Tudums. Anyway, this is the only display, and it's a chocolate sculpture, hand decorated by the Grand Floridian Bakery. So, usually every year they have all of these decorated, right?
There's a ton
Tons.
all around here.
So it's literally like the gingerbread house, but in Easter egg.
Yeah, there's like displays of Easter, like those kind of Easter eggs, like they're like all around the lobby, like all around here.
Man, this thing that's happening in the world needs to stop. It's messing with all this Disney magic and all the Disney fun. But anyways, look at this. Well, Karen just pointed out this to me. Even though it's not an Easter egg, I just want to show you that it's a chocolate sculpture, hand decorated by the Grand Floridian Bakery. Chocolate sculpture. Look at this. Good Lord. This is impressive. But I feel like this should be in Animal Kingdom Lush. No offense.
Yeah,
Right? It will go more with the theme.
that's true.
But hey,
It's still very pretty.
wow, shout out to the Grand Floridian Bakery. Check this out. I haven't seen this ever. I mean, unless you stop by and admire this, you will think that they're just figurines or statues or something like that, you know? Wow. Look at the details in this thing.
Those are hard.
I wonder how long this been in here. We have arrived to the Beach Club Resort. Let's see what we can find in here. Alright, check this out, guys. Check these Mickey and Minnie chocolate eggs. Look at this beauty over here. So right here in the main lobby of the hotel, we have found the different Disney themed Easter eggs. Look at this one. Little Mermaid. They're very detailed. Look at the back. Wow. Look at this. Such a beautiful. I forgot showing you this little egg over here. Very nice. Also, take a look at this one. Check out this Dumbo one. Wow. And it's here in the marketplace where you could actually find the Easter eggs for Mickey and Minnie. This is a handmade dark chocolate hollow eggs created by the talented Yacht and Beach Club bakery team. And it's while supply lasts. So we decided to stop at the Yacht Club because they also have their own Disney themed Easter eggs. Look at this. Wow. That's pretty, right, Kyla?
Yeah, it's very pretty.
Just want to show you this Neverland Easter egg. Got all the details. This is thinkable, right? Here at Ale and Compass, which is one of their restaurants over here, they do have, it's kind of hard to see, but they do have another Neverland. I'm trying to point it out with the lighting here on my cell phone, but check this out, another Easter egg over here. Look, Mickey coins. Look, we have found another Easter egg here, but this one is by the lobby at the beach club. And it says, dreams do come true in New Orleans. Alright guys, so we ended up getting the Mickey Mouse Easter egg. And this was $22.
$22.
And it looks delicious. It looks so delicious that I'm afraid to even touch it. Mickey has gone earless. But anyway, each of us gonna try a bite. I'm gonna start with the bite. That does taste good. Carla's gonna do another one. That's dark chocolate.
That's good.
It's really good. And then we're saving the last one, the best one for last, right there. It tastes really good. One of the best chocolate I have, and I don't eat that much chocolate, but it tastes really good. I can only imagine. You feel guilty to be eating that ear, don't you?
I do.
It's okay.
Look,
But nobody can tell.
Now, you can tell.
Well, if you see it from this angle, you will not tell.
It looks like Mr. Potato Head fell.
That's
A
okay.
broken ear.
We have tried every single dessert available, at least on the 3 hotels that we visit: the Yacht Club, the Beach Club, and the Grand Floridian. I want to say that there's more in the park. Yeah, there's more. If you go to Animal Kingdom, Epcot, I think starting in the week of Easter will have their own. So there's going to be plenty of desserts around in property that you can try. And even here in Yacht Club, they're going to bring more desserts tomorrow. I think there's a cookie.
The cookies are coming.
Man, I was dying to try because there's a cheesecake cookie. Can you imagine?
I think we need to come back.
Cheesecake cookie. Oh my God. But they don't start selling them until tomorrow, which tomorrow will be Sunday the 21st.
Hola, we're back.
All right, guys, so there you have it. Right now we're here at our favorite pool in property right behind us, which is at the Yacht Club. And hope you enjoyed this adventure. It was fun to just be in the Easter egg hunt around the resort. And we tried some desserts. We bought another one to take home. But anyways, it was super fun, right?
Yes.
So we hope you enjoyed this adventure as much as we enjoy making it for you. So with that said, we want to remind everybody to
Subscribe.
And smash that like button and turn that bell for notification.
Bing, 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 and feel free to comment down below. Always remember to
smile out, be great.
Be cool.
and stay awesome. See you guys in the next adventure.
Bye, guys.
Boom.
Boom.
Boom. See ya.
Bye.